The name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All of you, this is our final term.
Yeah.
I am sharing the screen to you boys, and you can see this is our today's topic, chapter number 7.
Activity guide.
And before
Activity guide.
this is activity book boys. Before we start the class, we just remember some important rules of class. So everybody must sit properly and talk with permission. If you are asking any questions, so you take permission, then I will allow you. Then you answer the question
Raise your hand.
and dress very well. Wear cap, cover your head, and sit properly, listen properly, take your books and copies with you when you are taking the class, and stationery, pencil, eraser, scale, copy work, copy also with you must be there. So, and whenever you have to talk, so you can unmute yourself, otherwise you will mute. So we have in the end of the class, before 10 minutes I will mark the attendance. Okay, so we start our topic here. So the topic is multiplication, and you all know about multiplication. When we multiply two numbers, so we get the answer. For example, if we multiply 2 by 4, so we get answer 8. 2 4 is 8. So like this, this is multiplication. And where we use multiplication, we have, if we have a question, 3 people have 4 toffees each, so we will multiply here. So the first thing, we must learn the tables. Look here, you can see it here, multiplication tables of 2 3 4 5 and 10. At this level you must learn these tables. 2 3 4 5 and 10. These tables must be learned by you, memorized or learned by heart, and on your fingertips. Each answer will be on your fingertips. For example, you must know what 4 multiplied 8 is equal to what. You know. So I ask one by one, and you can raise your hand. I can see your faces. Say that who remember, who has memorized the table of 5. Yes, I can see your faces. I just stopping the sharing, and I can see all of you at once. Yes, raise your hand if you memorize the table of 5. Yes, Taha, do you? All of you raise your
G.
hand like this if you know if you remember, if you have learned by heart the table of 5. I'm talking about 5. Table of 5. Yes, Taha has learned this table. Yes, others, Sudam, you have learned. Hamza learned. Yes, Shamil, do you remember, or do you have learned the table of 5? Shamil, you can raise your hand or you can say.
Yeah.
अकबर, आपको याद है टेबल 5 का?
G.
Good, very good. So I hope if you have learned table of 5, Shamir also learn the table. If you have learned the table of 5, it's obvious that you all must have learned the table of 4, 3 and 2. Am I right or
सर
not?
ये तो बहुत आसान है.
आपको याद है ये tables? ठीक है, तो One thing also, that you write your name properly, okay? Only you write your name. No any other uh, things you add with your name
सर
than
वैसे
your
पेज
name.
नंबर कौन सा है?
Okay, we are starting from activity book. Everybody must open your
सर
activity
वैसे
book.
पेज नंबर कौन सा है?
This is page number 84. Okay, this is page number 84, and we are doing activity book. Page 84, and this is activity book.
Now, Mr. Willy Wonka tells that Oompa Loompas has been directly imported from Oompa land. But actually there is
And
no
this is
such
11th of
country.
January.
There is no such country in the world. Fine.
So we are moving to the questions,
So Miss
and
said
one by
Mr.
one
Wonka
I
proudly.
will ask. Look
There
here.
is no such place.
This is first
There
question.
is no such place. Said Mrs. Salt.
The question is
Excuse me,
write the
dear
missing numbers,
lady, but
and we have
Mr.
some
Wonka,
birds
cried Mrs. Salt,
showing
"I am a teacher
in the
of
cages.
geography." Now you see,
In one cage there are
who
two
is Mrs.
birds.
Salt? Mrs.
There are
Salt
two
is
birds
mother of
in one cage,
Aruba Salt.
the
Fine.
second cage,
And
the
she
third
teaches
cage, and the
geography
fourth
in
cage.
school.
So
And she has
we
some-
can
she has,
multiply these
good knowledge of
same
geography.
number of birds
Geography is a subject
kept
which
in the
is
cages.
of different
So we multiply 2, and there are 4 cages. So we multiply 4 by 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, the answer is already written in this book, where I have captured the images, pictures, and answers are written. So 4 times 2, we can read it like this: 4
Now when
times
Mr. Wonka is unable to answer, he
4
changes the topic.
times
Okay? And
2
so now who will read it?
is 8.
Haris Kashif, please read it. Read. Then you will know about all about it.
4 times 2 is 8. So its answer is 8. 4 multiplied 2 is equal
Then
to
you will know all about it.
8. The next is 6 times 4. 6 times 4. So there are 4 fishes in each pot. So there are 6 pots, 6 pots or beakers, 6 pots, and 4 fishes in each pot. So 6 times 4 is equal to 24. So there are 24 fishes in 6 pots. Okay, boys. Now there are, I think these are rats. I cannot see it properly. I see it in the book. Yes, these are, I think these are rabbits. So in each cage there are 5 rabbits, and there are 2 cages. Yes, I will ask this question from any one of you. Yes, Abdullah Asif.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर.
वालेकुम सलाम बेटा, बोले.
सर पेज नंबर
दिस इज पेज नंबर 84. देखिए आपको नजर आ रहा है, ये देखिए पेज नंबर 84.
सर बताइए.
Now who will
Page
read it?
84 activity
Thank you very
book.
much. Thank you very much. Now this
Page
is again,
84 activity book, beta.
here Mr. Willy
And this is
Wonka
question number 1 and part C.
has talked
Yes,
about
Abdullah Asif
3 or 4
will
animals
answer this
and some
question.
other things
This is already
which
written,
do
boys.
not
So
happen
2 5
and which do not exist in reality.
multiplied
For
by
example,
5, 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10.
you see, he
I
says,
hope you all
then you
know
will
this
all
answer.
about it.
We
Said
move
Mr.
to the
Wonka.
next
And
page.
oh, what a terrible
Page
country it
number
is. Nothing but big
85.
jungles infested by the most dangerous
Page
beasts in
number
the entire world.
80.
Now, the first
5.
thing is hornwogglers.
This is
about
page
which
number
we talk.
85.
Hornwogglers is nose
And
wranglers
look here.
and wranglers.
First question is already solved.
Hornwogglers is nose wranglers and Van Doodle.
सर
He
बताए
says these they are very very dangerous
Yes, the
dangerous
first
animals,
question is
and they are bees and they are found in the jungle of Rumpaland.
0
But actually
multiplied by 5. The
there are
first
no
question
such
part B.
animals, there are no such bees in
I will
reality.
ask
They are all imaginary
those who know the
सर मैं
answer, they can
beings or
raise their
animals which
hands.
are found
I can
only
see
in
your faces, your
Darjeeling chocolate
videos.
and nowhere else in the
If you
world.
raise your hand, I will ask. Yes, Akbar,
These three
unmute yourself
animals
and
are
tell
the
me
invention of
what 0 multiplied by 5 will be. Yes,
Yes,
0 multiplied by 5 will be the answer 4.
0 multiplied by 5 is 4. You are telling wrong answer. Anybody?
अरे रॉन्ग है
Yes, Taha बताएं. Yes, Taha. 0 multiplied by 4, 5. Taha.
Five.
Yes,
Five.
Taha is
नहीं
saying
सर मैं
5. G. Any other
नहीं
person? Any other student?
सर
Shamir
सर
बताएं.
सर 0
0. Very good. Shamir ने बिल्कुल सही बताया.
सर में सारे आते हैं
So
हमने कर
very
लिए
good, Shamir. So all of you understand this thing, this concept. Whenever, listen very carefully, whenever 0 is multiplied by any of the number, so answer will be always, answer is always 0. When 0 is multiplied by any number, so answer will always be 0. I show you some examples here. For example, 0 multiplied by 25. So answer will be 0. Just like this, if we multiply 0 by a very bigger number, 9, 9, 9, 9, answer will be always 0. Clear, boys? Everybody must clear it. So 0 multiplied by 5 is 0. ठीक है बेटा, मैं दोबारा बता देता हूँ. 0 से किसी भी नंबर को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर हमेशा 0 ही आएगा. ठीक है, किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम? We are moving to the next question. Who is this M? Just M is written and there is no video. Asad is sitting very concentrating to the screen and he is learning. Mashallah, Asad will answer this question. 1 multiplied by 4, yes. And this is a very easy question. Hurry up, Asad.
Escaped from the Van Doodles and the Horror and they were practically starving.
Other boys, mute your
They were dying of
mics
hunger. They were living on green caterpillars
so that
the
there
caterpillars
must not be any noise.
What are
Sir,
caterpillars
4.
actually do?
4, very good. 4, 1 multiplied by 4 is 4.
Caterpillars are
The second question, 4 multiplied by 10.
caterpillars are
Now it
40
is
40 40 40
40, very
40.
good.
revolting.
All of you know it, 40. Yes, Hamza Khalid will tell the next question. Nobody will answer the Hamza part E. 3 times 5. 3 times 5 or 3 multiplied by 5. Yes, Hamza, again.
For instance, and Yoki letters.
You are saying, what you are saying is, I did not listen. 15, very good. So its answer is 15. Very good. Now, the next question is from Ayan. Yes, Ayan, unmute yourself and tell me the answer of 2 multiplied 2. And I think this is very easy question. 4, very good.
4
So 8 times 4, yes, here 8 times 4. The next question,
30
this is Sudham was asking, saying 30. Yes, anybody confirm
32.
this? Is it correct? Somebody is telling 32.
Sir,
Somebody
32.
52. Somebody
Sir,
is saying
32.
But their problem was that
32.
Sir,
Yes, 32 is
32.
the correct answer. 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to
they
32.
only lived on
Okay,
Answer है.
this is wrong.
they need some other thing.
Okay, the wrong must be erased. Okay. Write the multiplication story using the multiplication sentence above.
Okay.
Yes, now they are saying
Now
write
they
a
used to-
multiplication
they used
story.
to dream about cacao beans
So
all
how
night
we
and
write
talk
a
about it all
multiplication
day.
story?
You can
Just
only imagine
concentrate
the
on
word
the
cacao
screen.
like woman by
Look here,
start with
they are
it.
saying above means we take the number 32. Look here, look at the screen how we can make the multiplication story. 32. Now 32 is coming from
You cannot make
by
chocolate
multiplying
without cacao.
8 and 4.
Is chocolate. I myself use billions of cacao beans.
32 is coming.
So my dear children, as soon as
Sorry.
as soon as
Islam considers all our actions
So 8 and 4. 32 is coming from 8 multiplied by 4. So we write two numbers with
fine.
marking, making lines, two lines, 8 multiplied by 4. Now 8 can also be
Yes.
break
Who will
in two
read it?
numbers. For example,
Next page.
2 multiplied by 4, and 4 can be break by
चलिए.
Two.
Students who are sitting with books,
multiplied by 2.
they can start reading.
Further, 4 can be multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4.
Anyone?
So I hope all of you have understood this, how we make the multiplication sentence,
Abdullah Nabi, where are you?
multiplication story,
all impurities.
multiplication story using the number 32, and you all copy it in your activity book.
Muhammad Ahmed Akram.
Did you do it?
Yes.
कैसे हैं आप?
Yes. May I move to the next page now? We have done page number 85 completed.
अकरम साहब कैसे
Huzaifa
हैं आप?
Nabi.
I can see you going.
Sir.
जानते हैं मुझे?
Huzaifa Nabi.
Everybody has completed it. I am waiting for your response. So
Sir.
yes.
Yes. Sir, मेरे अभी
Ask.
जी
If you have any problem, you have no book, so you note it down, and the lecture is also recording, is being recorded.
Sir, I
मोहम्मद शाहिद
Sir, I have book.
Okay,
Sir,
you do it, boys.
कौन
Tell
कौन
them the talent.
All questions.
सर आपके
कैसे अहमद भाई?
जी बेटा.
सर आपने जो है कौन कौन से पेज कर लिए मुझे बता
Today
दें.
we have done page number from, we have started from page number 84. We have done 84, then 85. We have completed 85 till now. Okay. Till now we have completed page number 85. Now we are moving to the next page. Page number 86. In the start of the class, I have told you, I have suggested you, I have requested you that everybody must learn the tables from 2 to 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. Everybody must learn these tables 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10. If you learn more, it will be good for you, but minimum you must learn these tables 2, 3, 4, 5. And the table of 10 is so easy, so you need to learn it, you must know it. So page 85 completed. Now we are moving to the page number 86. I just erase the answers first.
Trying to be about full of match the green caterpillars without being sick. Look here, I said.
I stop the sharing so that you don't see the answers. Then we will do this
all the
page.
people will come back to my country.
Everybody
Live in my factory. You can have all the
complete page
I
85.
got mountains of them in my storehouses.
except
You can have cacao beans for every day.
except for
You can
their
have
hands
gourds, yourself chilling on them. I'll even pay for your wages in cacao beans if you wish. You really mean it? Umpa Lumpa leader leaving from his chair. Of course, I mean it. Assalamualaikum. Yeah.
चलिए आगे
On this page we have an activity
सर मैं अभी
related to tables
मैं सर मैं अभी क्लास ले रहा था
and
अच्छा मैं अभी क्या ट्रेनिंग वाली क्लास ले रहा था ठीक है मैं आपको इंशाल्लाह भेजूंगा ठीक है
now I'm starting sharing this.
चल ओके फाइन
सर
जी बेटा,
तो
हम कौन सी बुक का
this
काम
is
है?
activity book and we are now on page number 85.
I've got surroundings for every meal. You can guard yourself fully on them. I will use your pages.
Page 85 of
Now you
activity
see,
book.
this is the way Willy Wonka persuades the leader of
जहाँ से एमएस में छोड़ा है उसके आगे
to
छोड़े
take all his Oompa Loompas in his pack. This is the he tells them, I will give you
नंबर
the
4
house
उर्दू के
back
पढ़ो
within a
नंबर
short
4
day.
उर्दू
Okay boys,
If you come to my
this is
factory, you start with
the table of 6 I think,
In this
or
way,
you can
they all feel
understand
really
it, the
like
table of
because
2,
they
table
like
of 3,
chocolate
table of
and
4, table of
cows
5.
very much.
So 2 times 6 is equal to 12.
The Loompa land,
Here
Because
they
page
are
55,
telling us
page
if
55
we add 6 to the answer 12,
कहाँ से पढ़े
so we will get the
kind of
यार ये बटन ऑन कर लिया
taste disgusting and it tastes horrible.
So
And they did
ऐसे
not
रख
want to
दिया।
eat it,
if
but
we
their
add
problem,
6 to 12 we
why
will
they were
get the
forced to
next
eat this food,
number
that is
in the table of 6. So 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is
and they were
12 plus 6, 18. सबको ये बात समझ आ रही है? If we add 6 to the previous number we will get the next number of the same table. For example, we are writing the table of 5, so the next number will be 10, then we add 5 to the previous number. We add 5 to 10, we will get the next number. So we add 5, so we will continue writing the table of 5 like this. Okay, just like this, this is the table of 6. So how you are writing the table of 6? 12 plus 6, then the next answer is 16, 18, and you add 6. So the next answer will be 18 plus 6 is, you will add 18 plus 6. You have done addition in the last term. 6 and 8 is 8 plus 6 is 14. 3 plus 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So what we are doing,
because it's got milk and sugar added.
1 plus 1 is
The little
2.
man gave a
So the answer is
try. Who means
24.
try. The little man gave a
6
Sir, I've
times
done
4 is
86.
24, 6 times 5 is, yes, so we tell 6 times 5.
right out of the tree house.
जी
It's a deep secret. Come on, let's go.
सर
जी
मैं
अब्दुल्ला
बताऊंगा।
बताएं, अब्दुल्ला
So
5 times 6,
13.
I shift them all over.
30.
here. I shift them all
Good.
over here means
Just like this we have the table of 9 here, okay? So 2 times 9 is equal to 18, 3 times 9 is equal to 18 plus 9, you will add 9 in the 18, so you will get the answer. 9 plus 8 is 17, so 17, 7, 1 is carry, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so 3 times 9 is equal to 27.
I smuggled yes.
Just like this, 4 times 9, yes.
Why you want to ask
Junaid
me?
Ahmad Khan, can you tell me the answer?
Yeah, what has happened to you?
Yes, Junaid.
Just listen to me, please. Don't ask me irrelevant
Who
questions.
will answer this question? You can raise your hand, I can see your videos.
This
Sir,
time,
me.
Yes, Taha.
this time is left. We have
Taha
to
is
cover
answering
the
this
syllabus.
question 4 times
I
9.
have to give you one more answer and you are asking me from
Ji.
here. So I
Those
shift them all
Third
over,
one.
every man, woman and child in the
4 times 9 is 34. He is saying 34. Is it right?
No, no, sir.
No, this is not right. Okay, who will correct it?
Burgers, they all eat
Tell the correct answer. Ayan, tell the correct answer.
39.
They are always
39. Somebody is saying 39. Is it right?
you will hear good news.
How can we
No, not
find the
30.
answer? We can
30.
add
No.
9 to 27.
Tell me.
You add 9 to
36,
27.
sir. Sir,
And you
36.
please keep quiet for 1 minute. And you all have done the mental math. Look here, 27 plus 9. You can do 26 plus 10. So the answer is 36. So 4 times 9 is 36. Just like this.
36.
Yes, now I will take Abdul Asfan. Asfan for the answer of 5 multiplied by 9. Yes, Asfan, can you answer? Unmute yourself and answer 5 times 9. Yes, these are the boys of 3C, mashallah, cooperating and learning very well.
One of the food
And
is
they all have good response. But in maths we must have because we must do practice, we must do calculation, we must learn the tables,
मैं जवाब दूँ?
we revise. Yes,
सर मैं
Asfan,
जवाब दूँ? That's 45.
very good. We can write the we can also find the answer by the table of 5. 5 times 9 or 9 times 5. The answer will be same, 45. Very good.
Sir, 45.
Very good, very good. So this
सर मैं बता दी.
yes, Asfan, your answer is right. And now I will take Hamza Khalid for the next answer. 9 times 6. Yes, Hamza. Hamza is saying 50. Yes, anybody correct it? This is wrong, Hamza. Yes, anybody can answer the correct number.
Yes.
Yes. Look here, 9 times 5 is 45. So you add 9 to 45, you will get the 9 times 6. You will add 9
Sir?
to 45, you will get the answer. 9 times 6. Or you can
Sir, 54.
54. Junaid is saying, I think 54. Very good, Junaid. This is 54. This all is, look here, table of 6. It's 1 times 6, so nobody need to know 1 times 6 is already 6. So 10 times 6. Yes, so them will tell 10 times 6. 60. Very good. Some other people are answering. Now I take the person who has not participated still now. All of you have answered. Maaz will tell 6 times 6. Muhammad Maaz. Yes, Maaz. 6 times 6 बताए. 6 multiplied by 6. Maaz.
He only cares about his tummy.
6 multiplied 6. Maaz is very slow in multiplication.
Sir,
Yes. Maaz.
36.
Some other person are saying this is not good. Junaid,
Now what is he doing?
let Maaz tell 6 times 6 is 36.
Leaning down.
जिससे मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ सिर्फ वही बताएंगे बेटा. सैयद तोहा 8 times 6 बताएं. 8 multiplied by 6.
48.
8 6 48. Very good. चले अब मैं पूछूंगा ये अकबर से 0 times 6. अकबर बताएंगे. अकबर. Nobody, no other student will tell the answer. There is Akbar. Akbar is there. Yes, Akbar. बताएं बेटा.
0.
Very good. अकबर को बहुत अच्छा समझ आ रहा है. और यहाँ पे हम अपने टॉपिक को कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. यहाँ पर आज 86 तक ही कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. और we have 5 minutes here. And I will ask if anybody did not understand anything. So yes, anybody who ask any question about this, or I ask the tables randomly. So for example, I am writing here. Yes, anybody can answer it. Yes, first you raise your hand, then I will write. For example, I'm writing 5 times 5 multiplied by 4. Raise your hand if you know the answer. I can see your pictures, I can see your faces, I can see your videos. And Sudam is trying to answer. Yes, Sudam.
What is written there?
5 times 4. 20. Very good. Okay, now I will ask from Ayan, Sayyid Muhammad Ayan, the next question. This is 6 times 4.
And
Yes, Ayan, unmute and answer. Sayyid Muhammad Ayan.
सर आइए
Ayan is thinking about the answer. Yes, where is Ayan?
सर 30
6 4 30. He is saying 30. 30 is wrong, Veda. Yes, who will correct this? Raise your hand.
सर
Muaz will correct. Muaz. Yes. Muaz बताएं correct.
28
yes.
38
मुआज बताएंगे और कोई ना बोले बेटा ये रूल्स के खिलाफ है आप
Not found anywhere in reality.
मैंने कहा है जिसको मैं कह रहा हूँ वही बताएंगे यस
35
मुआज
मैं बता रहा हूँ सर मैं 34 34
34 मुआज इज सेइंग 34 और कौन बताएगा ताहा बताएंगे 34 मुआज गलत है 34 गलत
सर मैं बताऊं सर मैं बताऊं 36 सर मैं बता रहा हूँ
जी आयान बताएं
35
So, inshallah, I will share.
24 गलत
सर
है
मुझे बताने
करेक्ट आंसर 28 है
सर 35 सर मैं 35 सर मैंने बोला 28
सर
28
28 28 is wrong sorry
35
24 sorry this is the correct answer 24 okay 4 6 or 6 4 same we can also write it like this 4 multiplied by 6 equal to 24 now we are going to the homework side and I'm marking the attendance first this is PC
Who is this boy?
yes Muhammad Umar is there Umar is present no present absent Daniel Taj is present Daniel Taj is absent Daniel is there no Muhammad Ayan is there present Hassan Ali Shah is absent today
Don't write anything.
Hassan Ali Shah absent Sheikh Waqas absent
Let me tell you. Around.
Sheikh Waqas absent Junaid present Ansab is absent Sayyid Taha is present
Yes.
yes Muhammad Akbar is present Hamza Khalid is present and Muaz is present Ahmad Aziz is absent
Yes.
Abdul Nasir is present Sudan present Asad present Usman present Zaid is not there Zaid is present no absent Taha Shamir is present okay we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 students are there okay now we are moving to the homework so for the homework all of you listen carefully you will do the homework in your copy and what you have to do is I'm writing on the whiteboard
गूगल क्लासरूम में भेज दे
जी मैं आपने भेजूंगा you have to make the title okay of final term then you leave one page for syllabus and then make the title page of your chapter 7 then you write the tables now I'm going to end the meeting now and sending the homework in Google Classroom and WhatsApp Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh
वालेकुम अस्सलाम
अच्छा ओके बॉयज ओके प्लीज स्टॉप रीडिंग थैंक यू वेरी मच देखिए प्लीज चेक योर गूगल क्लासरूम टुडे ओके एंड इंशाल्लाह your homework will be shared. I will give you questions to be answered and these answers will be written by you in your notebook. Not in notebook, don't do it in your notebook. Okay, I will give you instructions where to do and how to do. But please be sure to check your WhatsApp group and your Google Classroom. Okay, everything will be shared there and you have to do accordingly. Yes.